morning everyone. Welcome back to our live. New season, new beginning para sa ating Paya League 2014 division. This is the battle between the De La Salle Zobel versus the Xavier School. Shout out. Shout out dito sa kayo. Ay. Shout out. Ayan. Let's go. First ball, nakuha na ng De La Salle Zobel. First basket mula kay jersey number 11 from De La Salle Zobel. Isa link ko lang po. Isa lang ko na link. Ano? Diba? Nakabawi raw ito. Si Julio Go. Oh, sorry, that's Riley Depano. Leah Jaden. Side step. No good. Rebound by DeAndre. You pass to Titus. Out of bounds. First basket para kay Melencio ng De La Salle Zobel. Number 25. Back to Jaden. Lee, reverse layup. Oh, good. Offensive rebound by Jaden and gets the foul. Jaden Lee on the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot, no. Rebound by DeAndre. You pass to Titus. Tang. Depano. Go. No. And that's a pushing foul. De La Salle Zobel basketball. Attacking the basket by jersey number 51. Jake Oyen, no. Rebound ng De La Salle. Melencio, no good. Rebound by Arden.
Take it on there!
Depino sidestep. Oh, gets a foul.
Nice one! One more!
Shot is good for Depino. Second shot is good. Babas dalawang lamang ng De La Salle.
The ball!
Jaden steal by Jerwin. Pass to Titus. To Yang. Jacob pass to Arden. Arden is no good. Defensive rebound. Out of bounds. Jerwin looking for his teammate. Pass to Jacob. Yang. To Jerwin. Pass to Titus for 3. That's offensive foul. De La Salle basketball. Number 11. Oh, in 3-point. Para kay Montes. Manu gets a foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 5 seconds. Evo. Nabitawan ni Evo. Steal. Kay Panaligan. Here comes Melencio. Pass to Montes, 4-3, no good. Rebound by Titus. Here comes Tang. Tang, rather steal. And number 24 and 1. Para kay Manu Montes. On the free throw area, number 24, Montes, basket. Malaki na po ang kalamangan ng De La Salle. Shot, no. Out of bounds.
Oh!
Gets a foul.
make two.
Shooting on the line, jersey number 2. That's Jaco Yang. Oh, good. Let's go, Jaco. Second shot for Jaco or Jericho Yang. No good. Offensive rebound. Nagagawan, and that's a jump ball. Riley Depano setting on the play. Riley, pull up, no. Oh, and gets a foul. Number 34, that's Evo. You. First shot is good. That's Wayden Rivera. Second shot for Rivera. No good. Rebound. Here comes Jaco. Oh, lifting violation. Timeout. Xavier. Yan natin ang huddle ng ating Xavier School. With the time remaining 3 minutes and 6 seconds. And shoutout po to our related happy birthday. Ayan, kay Ma'am Jonah Osena Barreto. Ayan, happy viewing po. Ma'am Joanne Barreto is watching sa ating live. Official score is 13-4 in favor of the guest team, Andela Salzobel. Purple. Jaden Piyun. Number 14, 4-3, no. Offensive rebound. Jaden, pass to Castro. Basket para kay Joaquin Castro. Or Joaquin Castro. Steal, bad pass. Jaden Lee. Bad pass. Castro. Too strong. Rebound by Evo. Pass to Jerwin. DeAndre. Here comes Vincent. Oh, walang tawag ang ating referee. Out of bounds. The defense para kay Jaden Lee. Yun. Setting on the screen. Bad pass. Oh, naka-recover. Yun. Pass to Castro. Fake. And out of bounds. team. It's a foul. Time remaining, last 1 minute. DeAndre, handoff to Jaco. Jaco, sidestep using the glass, no. Offensive rebound. Jaco, pass to Vincent. Vincent, no good. Rebound by Evo. Evo, oh, in and out. Rebound ng Lasal. Panaligan, may taka ng bola. Panaligan, pass to Castro. Castro, 4-3, no. Rebound by Evo. Due to DeAndre. DeAndre, nagmamadali. Ayan na si DeAndre. Bounce pass. Oh, that's a trouble. I'm out. Time remaining 9 minutes and 6 seconds. Time out dito. Ang Lasal. Isabel. Let's go. $11-point lead para sa guest team. Last 9 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Number 51. Boy! Nakasagot pa doon. Si Villaruz. End of the first quarter. That's Liam Villaruz. Alright, end of the first quarter. Official score 17-4 in favor of De La Salle Sobel. Tingnan natin ang Adela na ating Xavier School. Ayan, sa mga nanonood pa nating live, please like and share and follow me on Facebook. Sa mga gusto pong mapanood ng replay, please subscribe my YouTube channel at doon po natin ilalabas ang replay ng labang ito. Ayan, pa-subscribe na lamang po, pa-share and pa-like na rin po ang ating YouTube channel. Ayan, another season para sa Paya League. Payan Prada League. This is the 2026 to 2027 season. Sino kaya ang unang makakuha ng panalo ngayong season 2026 sa ating 2014 division? Let's go. Melencio. Pass to Jaden. Lee to Melencio. Panaligan. Oh! Basket.
It's wet.
Ay, sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Basa.
Gray. Too strong. Rebound. Kaya na ang Lasal. Melencio. Too strong. Rebound by Arden. Pass to Titus. Back to Arden. To Titus. Kick out. Brody, no good. Rebound. Basket para kay Arden. Arden Cole. And the first basket this season. And what a nice ball movement. Melencio for 3. No. Rebound by Jaden. Bounce pass. Oh! Villaluz Liam gets the foul. 2 shots para kay Liam Villaluz.
Wala siya.
First shot para kay Liam. Basket is good.
Rebound! Down!
Number 24, no. Using the glass, no good. Melencio.
Box out! Go Riley!
Riley. Basket.
Eyes on the ball!
Number 25. To number 24. No good. Gets a foul. Babalik tayo for our third.
Wow!
It's a foul. Ray. Sidestep. Pass to Depano. No good. Out of bounds. Oh, he's steal.
Go Riley! Foul!
It's a foul. Babalik ko na tayo.